Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix or how to remove setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. When you upload a video and you see this kind of interface or error, then how you can fix that. So this kind of error occur because of many reasons. One of the reason is that you have set your age under 16, and that's why TikTok has restricted some of your settings. So if you want to remove that settings that are restricted by TikTok, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply change your age. For this, what you have to do, for this you have to simply click on the three lines, and after that you have to click on settings and privacy. And in settings and privacy you have to scroll it down, and you have to simply search for report a problem here. In report a problem, what you have to do, you have to simply search for profile section, where you can simply change your profile settings. For this you have to click on account and profile, and here you can find all the option. Here the one option is editing profile, and if you scroll it down, then you cannot find the option related to changing the age. For this you have to click on others, and after that you have to simply describe the problem to TikTok team. First of all, they will tell you how to solve that problem, because it will be not solved by the problem. So you have to click on need more help, and if you click on need more help, then a new kind of interface will be appear. So here you have to simply tell the TikTok team. So here I have already written the description, which is as I want to change my birthday or age on my TikTok because I have mistakenly provided the wrong date of birth. Now I want to change my date of birth on my TikTok. For this I can provide the documents for verification. After that you can also attach the screenshot or video proof of your problem. After that you can simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to TikTok team, and within few days TikTok team will connect to you and hopefully solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.